All right, good everyone. My name is Mr. Orimalade. People call me Mr. Math as in Mr. Mathematics. All right, what I have for you today is the perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector, but we need to understand the meaning of a sector first. A sector is a part of a circle bounded by an arc and two radii. Now look at the circle we have on the board. A sector is a part of a circle, all right, bounded by an arc. Look at the arc from point A to B. This is an arc and two radius. You can say two radii. Look at it. This is a sector, all right. It has two radius and bounded by what? By an arc. All right. Now, what to look at how to calculate the perimeter of a sector? The perimeter of any shape is the distance around the boundary of that shape. That is what we call the perimeter. We want to calculate, the length from this point to this point with the length of the arc and here. But we have the formula for calculating the perimeter of a sector. We have what we call 2r plus 2 pi r theta divided by 360. Don't forget, 2 pi r theta divided by 360 is the length of the arc. All right. All we just did was to add the length of the 2r. That is 2r. All right. All right. If you don't want to use that, we can use this. We have d plus c theta divided by 360 degree, where your d is the diameter, your c the circumference of the circle, and the theta represent your angle. There's some question whereby you just apply this and you get the perimeter of a sector. All right, let's look at the example on the board. Example 1. A sector subtend an angle of 42 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 2.8 centimeter. Calculate the perimeter of the circle. All right, let's solve it together. All right, to solve this together, right, we can interpret this in form of a diagram, which is very, very important. All right, so we want to interpret this in form of diagram. A sector subtended an angle of 42 degrees at the center. All right, we're talking about sector here. 42 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 2.8 centimeter. So we are asked to calculate the perimeter of a sector. Don't forget the formula in calculating the perimeter of a sector. This is 2.8. So we need to also calculate the length of the arc. So instead of doing it one by one, just apply the formula. The perimeter of sector equals 2r plus 2 pi r theta over 360 degree. All right, what is our r? Our r is 2.8 centimeter. All right, r 2 multiplied by 2.8 centimeter plus 2, our pi is constant, 22 over 7 times the r here, the same 2.8, times what is theta, the angle, 42 degrees, divided by 360 degree. All right, at this point, we can multiply these two. 2 multiplied by 2.8, it will give us 5.6. This will give 5.6 centimeter. Now, let's use our calculator to calculate the numerator round. Let's use a calculator. That is 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 2.8 multiplied by 42 degree. All right, it gave us 5174.4 divided by 7 times 360. That will be 2520. 2520. So let's divide this. Divide by 2520. Therefore, we have, we have divided by 2.20, we have 5.6 centimeter plus 2.05333. 2.05333. That is what we got. So we can now add these two together. Plus 5.6 centimeter. It gives us, therefore, we have 7.65333 centimeter. All right, we can leave our answer in 2 decimal places. Therefore, it will be 7.65 centimeter to 2 decimal places. That is our final answer. All right. So we can say the perimeter of a sector is 7.65 centimeter. All right, that's our final answer. Now let's solve another example 2 under this. All right, let's look at this second example on the board. Calculate the perimeter of a sector of a circle, radius 14 centimeter, where the sectoral angle is 60 degrees. Take pi equals to 22 divided by 7. All right, this is very simple. We need to interpret the question first of all in form of a diagram because we're talking about circle here. All right, we want to calculate the perimeter of a circle. Let's draw our circle. This is a circle and this is a perimeter here. This is a perimeter. This is a sector. All right. So from the question, the radius has been given at 14 centimeter. This is the radius. And the sectoral angle, this angle is what? 60 degrees. We are asked to calculate, all right, the perimeter of a circle. All right. The perimeter of a sector rather. This is the sector bounded by what? 2 radi bounded by an arc. It has R, which means we have 14 centimeter. So instead of doing this, we can apply the formula. What is our formula? Our formula is 2R for perimeter of sector. So therefore you have 2R plus 2 pi R, 2 pi R theta, 2 pi R theta over 360 degrees. From the question, our R has been given as 14 centimeter. Don't forget, even the angle has been given as 60 degrees. So the theta has been given as 60 degrees. So, all right, let's input this. So we have 2 multiplied by 14 centimeter plus 2 multiplied by 22 over 7, that is our pi, multiplied by R, 14, multiplied by 60 degrees over 360 degrees. All right, we can multiply these two together. We have 28 centimeter. Now let's multiply the numerator and divide it by the denominator. Let's use our calculator. So where we have 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 60 degrees. So where we have 36960 divided by, multiply these two together is 2520. You have 28. Divide this. So we have 14.6666 centimeter. Add the two together plus 28. So therefore, we have 42.666666 like that centimeter. All right, we can leave our answer in 3 significant figures. All right, so we can leave our answer as 42.7 centimeter. So therefore, the perimeter of a sector, the perimeter of sector is 42.7 centimeter. All right, don't forget that your unit is very, very important in mathematics. All right, this is where we are going to stop today. All right, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you press the subscribe button for more videos, like it, and share with your loved ones. Mathematics is very simple and sweet as bread and tea. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you next time.